up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a bit of a different video. By the way, sorry, I lost my voice. I got a cold, so yeah, just deal with it. But anyway, today is a special day. We are actually starting car shopping for a new project. You may heard of CARGEMS. This is a French documentary about restoring cars and finding future classics. And we are pitching the idea for season 2 to make an English version of CARGEMS. So that's what we are going to do today. We are at, well, first what we want to do is to go car shopping to know what type of car we want for the show. And I had two choices. I showed you, well, I asked you on Instagram a couple days ago, what would you like to see in a future CARGEM series? So an American car or build another Japanese car. So today I'm going to check out the Japanese car. So I'm not going to talk over the videos while walking around the car because I'm going to be with another guy and he speaks French. But there's going to be voiceovers and whatnot, so keep that in mind. So we are about 2 minutes away. It's the first day of snow today, so it sucks. I'm in the 8th gen cheap build Civic, by the way, and there's going to be new videos about this car in the upcoming weeks. I'm still waiting for a ton of parts from one of our sponsors, so keep that in mind. A lot of great content, but today we are going to check out the maybe possible future CARGEM project. As you can see, not the greatest weather, super slippery, but the Civic is somehow cool, so it drives well in the snow. See, traction control. So a few days passed by since I saw the car. We are currently working with different brands just to see who is going to be title sponsor for this possible new season of CARGEMS. I say new season, but all the all of you guys English speaking viewers or maybe you are not familiar yet with CARGEMS. CARGEM is basically a series where we are speculating on new classics, like future classics. And for the first season, it was a 1-hour documentary in French, and in which we took the DC5 and we restored the car completely, and we are adding up some Mugen parts on it, and the car is now like a future classic. It's basically the same process as taking an old muscle car and restoring the whole thing. In this case, what we want to do is the original format that we originally we intended that this format for CARGEMS season 1. It was supposed to be different episode, like 10 or 12 episode of 12-13 minutes about restoring the car and then unveiling the car and whatnot. But due to still back then there was still some issues with shipping due to COVID and stuff like that, so we had to make just a big video about it and do like an overview of what we've done to the car. So that's why the video was filmed as, in the end, as a documentary. In this case, we want to do the original format, so multiple episodes, and in which we are, you know, taking the car from the importer, restoring the thing, like cleaning everything. Once everything's clean, we try to remove all modification or all unwanted stuff, and then we move on to restore old parts and bring the car back to new. So
At first, I really wanted to go with, like I said at the beginning of the video, I really wanted to go with an American car. And then RB Auto just told me, well, we've got this beautiful DC2. And the owner of RB Auto, Ryan, told me, well, I intended to use this car as a track car, but I feel like there's some potential behind this car. It's actually a 98 Honda Integra Type R, Spec R, a JDM one, obviously. And this car, fully restored, is worth a lot of money. And also, I'm still trying to find some sponsors so far for the projects. I have a few in mind that would be a great fit, especially since we need to buy old and rare parts and we need to sell old and rare parts on the car. So we'll see how it goes. If you are a company and you're interested in this project, all my information to get in touch with me will be in the description down below. If you'd like to see maybe another type of project, maybe not this DC2, you have another idea, maybe like a Toyota or something like that. Nothing too crazy. You need to know we are looking for future classics, not actual classics. Like, if you're telling me a Mark IV Supra, this is already a classic. You can see these cars for like $150,000 nowadays. We are looking for cars between $10,000 to $20,000. I have a preference towards Japanese car because they are easy to work with, and I'm a fan of Japanese cars. But it can be anything. So guys, it was a short video. It was just like a quick overview of a possible project. To be completely honest with you, I'm actually testing the water on the DC2. My inner self is telling me that maybe the DC2 is way too close to the DC5 in terms of type of project or interest on YouTube. But I feel like I use the DC5 for mostly French people. So, well, French-speaking people, not French people from France. But I feel like the DC2 is a great platform. We could have some fun with this car. Let me know what you think. And if you like that kind of project, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10K. It's not a lot, but I mean, for me, it's a big step. I mean, just to move from 4 digits to 5 digits, like 10K, that would be great. But anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about a DC2 restoration on the channel. I feel like it's been done, but not quite in the same way as CARGEM does it. So, yeah. Until then, guys, I see you in the next one. Goodbye.